In this training, we're going to review the 2018 myEcon compensation plan with base shop and generation examples. We advise that you refer to compensation documents number 701, number 702, and number 705 for full details regarding the specifics of the plan. When you enroll into myEcon, you start as a MD or marketing director. As a marketing director, you receive 15% on personal CV. CV is commission value. myEcon assigns each product or service it sells a commission value. Each product or service is assigned a CV dollar amount that is used to calculate earned commissions for myEcon associates respective to their rank and qualifications. In addition to 15% commissions on personal CV, a marketing director receives $10 for their first 2 personally sponsored people who purchase the income shifting membership and become marketing directors themselves. In this example, A and B are your first 2 enrolled income shifting membership sales. As an MD, you will receive $10 for each sale. In order to promote to the next rank, which is titled EVP, or Executive Vice President, you have to either personally enroll 2 new marketing directors or sell $200 of personal CV. Once you personally enroll 2 new marketing directors, you are promoted to Executive Vice President. As an Executive Vice President, you are now positioned to create base shops, beginning with the 3rd person you sponsor. In your base shop, you now earn $65 on personally sponsored marketing directors and $55 on base shop marketing directors not personally sponsored by you. You also receive 25% on personal CV sales and 10% on base shop CV sales made by marketing directors in your base shop. There is an opportunity to increase your CV sales by qualifying for the Super Retailer Bonus Commission. To qualify for Super Retailer Bonus Commissions, you must have $10 personal CV in a 5-week period, or $30 personal CV in a 13-week period, or $60 personal CV in a 26-week period, or $120 personal CV in a 52-week period. Once qualified as a super retailer, your CV commissions are 100% CV on personal sales and 85% CV on base shop sales. Let's now discuss what happens to your first 2 personally sponsored marketing directors. The first 2 marketing directors that you sponsored are not in your base shop. They are in the base shop of your immediate upline EVP. However, you will receive a 25% match of the base shop income of those first 2 marketing directors you sponsored after they are promoted to EVP. The 25% match does not include income from the Super Retailer Bonus. Please note, A or B must be promoted to the rank of EVP in order to have their own base shop. This simply means you do not earn the 25% match on their base shop earnings until they become EVPs. 25% of $65 is $16.25, and 25% of $55 is $13.75. You will also receive 25% of what A or B earns in retailer commissions, but not the Super Retailer Bonus Commissions. You personally enroll your 3rd person, which starts your base shop. We will call this Person C. You earn a $65 commission for enrolling and selling the income shifting membership to Person C. Person C goes out and enrolls Person C1 and Person C2. Because C1 and C2 are in your base shop, you earn $55 each. Because C1 and C2 are Person C's first 2, Person C will earn $10 each. Person C has personally sponsored 2 marketing directors. Let's take a look at what happens next. Person C is promoted to Executive Vice President and is moved to your first generation, where person C will remain for the life of your business. Person C1 and person C2 remain in your base shop. C1 and C2 want to be promoted to executive vice presidents as well. So they each go out and sponsor 2 new marketing directors each. Once they personally sponsor 2 marketing directors, C1 and C2 are promoted to executive vice president and move to your first generation, where they will remain for the life of your business. You are paid $55 for C3, C4, C5, and C6 each. They also remain in your base shop. C3, C4, C5, and C6 want to get promoted to executive vice president as well. So they work to personally sponsor new marketing directors. You are paid $55 on their first 2 new marketing directors. Their first 2 marketing directors remain in your base shop, and this process repeats itself to unlimited levels. In this example, C3, C4, C5, and C6 remain in your base shop until they personally sponsor 2 marketing directors. To better understand the earning potential with myEcon's base shop structure, let's take a look at it from a different perspective. When you personally sponsor person C in your base shop, you are in position to now earn $55 on every first 2 marketing directors sponsored in your base shop. Look at how large that one base shop could grow. Imagine getting paid $55 on 8,192 marketing directors. But who says you can only have one base shop? Every time you personally sponsor a new marketing director, you create another base shop. Each base shop pays $55 on the first 2 marketing directors to infinity. The question you should ask yourself is, how many base shops do I want? The key to building long-term stability and increased revenue is to generate as many first-generation EVPs as possible. This is done by helping marketing directors in your base shop become EVPs. Once they become EVPs, they are moved to your first generation. Once a marketing director becomes an EVP, they're going to want to repeat the same process as you are. They want to build as many base shops as possible and earn $55 for each marketing director sponsored in their base shop. When this happens, you continue to get paid. The amount you are paid are based on the qualified rank you are at. If you are an EVP, you will earn $2.50 every time a new marketing director is sponsored in your first generation. You will earn $7.50 as an EVP Gold, $12.50 as an EVP Platinum, $15 as an EVP Infinity or CEO Bonus Associate. If you're an EVP, you will earn 3% on product sales in your first generation, 7% as an EVP Gold, 12% as an EVP Platinum, 14% as an EVP Infinity or CEO Bonus Associate. Dream Team Residuals, or DTR, is paid only on the associates in your generations who have paid their monthly income shifting membership fee at least 5 months and the current calendar month. Income shifting membership sales are used to generate advanced upfront commissions. There is a 5-month payment waiting period before residuals are paid. This gives myEcon time to recoup the upfront advance payout. Dream Team residuals are paid once per month and are paid according to the qualified rank. EVPs are paid $1 Dream Team residuals per qualified income shifting membership in their super team. EVP Golds are paid $3 DTR. EVP Platinums are paid $5 DTR. EVP Infinities are paid $7 DTR. And CEO Bonus Associates are paid $8 Dream Team residuals per qualified income shifting membership in their super team. See compensation document number 701 and document number 702 for specific details on the number of generations each rank is paid on. Also, There are compensation cutoffs for multiple EVP infinities in the same leg. See the documentation for specific details. In this example, you have a first-generation EVP that is building his base shop. Every marketing director in person C's base shop is in your first generation. When a marketing director like person C2 personally sponsors 2 new marketing directors, person C2 is promoted to executive vice president and is moved into your second generation. Now, person C2 is building his base shop. Every marketing director in C2's base shop is in your second generation. When a marketing director like person C10 personally sponsors 2 new marketing directors, person C10 is promoted to executive vice president and is moved to your third generation. This process repeats itself. Let's take a look at the potential upfront and residual pay that can be earned over the course of a year when a person who is a qualified infinity has 50 new marketing directors a week or 200 marketing directors a month entering into his super team. In January, 200 new marketing directors enter into his super team, and he is paid $15 per income shifting membership. That equals $3,000. In February, he repeats the same activity and has 200 new marketing directors entering into his super team. At $15 per income shifting membership sale, that would pay out $3,000. This process continues to repeat itself each month, March, April, and May. Now, something interesting happens in June. In June, the marketing directors who joined in January have now paid their monthly income shifting membership fee at least 5 months and the current calendar month. In this example, the Infinity still gets 200 new marketing directors in his super team for the month, but he also picks up Dream Team residuals from the income shifting membership sales made in January. In this example, we factor in a 50% attrition rate. 100 qualified income shifting memberships at $7 per membership pay $700. This gives him a grand total of $3,700, a $700 increase for doing the same work. In the month of July, things get even more interesting. The Infinity still gets 200 new marketing directors in his super team, and he also picks up the DTR for the January income shifting membership sales. But now, the February income shifting membership sales have now also paid their monthly income shifting membership fee at least 5 months and the current calendar month. We still account for a 50% attrition rate for February memberships. The Infinity's income increases to $4,400 for the same amount of effort. Let's extrapolate this over the next several months. In August, this Infinity continues to do the same amount of work and his income increases to $5,100. In September, it grows to $5,800. In October, $6,500. In November, $7,200. In December, $7,900. And 1 full year later in January, his income is $8,600. He is doing no more work than the work he started doing a year earlier. If we run the numbers out until June, making it 18 months into this run, this Infinity will earn $12,100 in June of 2019. This is the power of myEcon's compensation plan. Note, these numbers do not include CEO bonus, product sales, or base shop sales. Additional income streams include up to 100% of CV on personal product sales, up to 85% of CV on base shop product sales, up to 14% on team product sales, and $1 plus on CEO bonus DTR.